Melissa here, bringing you more VIP magic, and today the magic is the Yacht Club at Walt Disney World. We are staying in a water view room. We are here for the holiday season. We're going to Jollywood Nights tonight, and it's going to be such an easy walk over to the park, or we can ride the water taxi, either way. And I just want to take you on a tour and show you this beautiful water view room. We are in 3177, and for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Best of all, my services are complimentary to you. So I can't wait to hear from you. Email me today. It would be my pleasure to assist your family. Now let's go tour the room. Again, this is a Yacht Club Water View 3177, 2-queen room. And as you are used to seeing, I'm going to pan the room and then I'll go back and show you all of the details. It's a beautiful room. Welcome, Giles family. Beautiful room, and best of all, wait till you see the view. It is amazing. Okay, let's start here. So we have 2 queen beds. We are in a deluxe resort. The linens are extra soft and the bed is extra soft. We have a beautiful headboard. Love the fabrics. We've got lights here if we need to read in the evening. I love the Yacht Club theming. It's a little masculine, if you will. We have a desk here, which I love. I'll be booking some Disney trips later before we go to the game. Or the party, excuse me, before we go to Jollywood Night. So you've got a desk here, lots of plugs, so you're never in need of plugs. You have a beautiful light, beautiful mirror. So here is the Disney Smart Companion. I'll show you what it can do. It's pretty cool. Hey Disney, what's the weather like outside?
Right now in Lake Buena Vista, it's 71 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Tonight's forecast has just a few clouds in the sky with a low of 52 degrees.
All right, let's keep moving on. So we've got the 2 queen beds here, and then we've got the chest of drawers here, the bedside table. It opens up. You've got some drawer space here. Perfect. You have your telephone here, and you've got your bedside lights, which is very nice. I like it. Very good. Another feature that I love about the Yacht Club, we've got hardwood floors and you can put your luggage underneath. That is huge when you've got a family of 4 or 5 in the room. So that's a great feature. Now this is your pull down bed, and this is a little smaller than a twin. It's easy to open up, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a moment. This bed easily folds down and makes a twin. It's a little smaller than a twin, but I've slept here before and it's very comfortable, and I'm about 5'5". It's soft. It actually has a mattress, and your bed will be already pre-made when you arrive, which is good, and then you've got the extra pillows. So yeah, that makes a great sleeping space for your 5th guest. We've got great artwork here. We've got another lamp for the guest that's sleeping here in the 5th sleeper. And then we've got our chest of drawers here. So we've got lots of drawer space. We've got extra pillows and a blanket, especially for the guest that sleeps over there on the extra pull-out sofa. Hello, Giles family. Welcome. Love that. We've got 2 bottles of water, a nice note that is usually left here from the manager, which I love, and a little treat, which usually has Mickey white and dark chocolate. Now here's our plugs and our USB ports. That's great. Now if you've got a larger family or group that is traveling and you need connecting rooms, let me know and we can book that for you as well. We've got more artwork here, and then this is the entryway. So love it that we have all this closet space. Let's open this up. I see a full-length mirror, which is nice. There's the full-length mirror, and we have lots of space here, lots of hangers, which is great. We do offer laundry services again, so just fill that out and send it in. Got a luggage rack, plenty of shelving. Got a robe hook here. More space up, more space down, and then let's open this. Oh, we've got our ironing board. Love this. We've got steam iron here, more space above your ironing board. Let's take this out. This is really cute. Love this. So voila, there you go. Ready to iron whatever you need for Jollywood nights. And then here we have your safe. You are in charge of putting the code there, which is nice. Put your jewelry or your valuables there. And then this is your little kitchenette. So I've already started putting some items there, but you've got shelving here. You've got an ice bucket, and you can go right down the hall for that. You've got a single Keurig. Just turn on the light. Perfect. You've got Joffrey's coffee, decaf coffee, everything you will need. And English breakfast tea. My husband likes to drink that, so it's all there for you. And then under here, we've got the dorm size refrigerator. I've already got some Cokes in there for us and some water. Very nice. And I can also talk to you about grocery delivery when you book your next Disney vacation with Melissa VIP Magic. I have all kinds of tips if you want to bring groceries up to the room, or breakfast items, or water, or things like that. Okay, let's go in the bathroom. So this is a barn door style. It can roll shut and open easily, and that's great in the mornings for privacy if someone is still sleeping. Here's our towels. We've got a double sink, which I love. Lots of shelving down below. I see a hair dryer, no need to bring your own. We've got plugs here along with your washcloths. H2O Disney products, love that. Vanity kit, lotion, you've got mouthwash, shower cap, and bath soap. Anything you need, and just call down or ask your Disney friend over there to bring more, and they will do that. Here's a makeup mirror with a light, and then we've got beautiful lighting there and a huge full-on mirror. And then here is your wet area. We've got the toilet, we've got more towels, a stand-up shower. Now we can request a stand-up shower for you. We have some rooms that have tubs, some that have stand-up showers. So you just let me know what you want and we can happily request that for you. More bath products from H2O. Here is your rain shower, and you've also got a handheld shower. Very nice indeed. So let's, and two hooks here. So hang your towels there. Now let's go outside and let me show you the beautiful view. My husband's already sitting out here enjoying the view. He said, you've got to come and see. Here's a lock, by the way, for your kiddos. This locks, I'd say that's about 4 foot off the ground if you're wanting to know for safety. And then here we are. Check out this view. Oh my goodness. Straight on to the lighthouse, and that's where we'll take the boat to Epcot, our Hollywood Studios. Very nice view. Love all the flowers down here. The water view is delightful. Now here's my hubby. Hello, Scott.
Hey.
And we've got 2 chairs and a table, a pretty large balcony here. He's already having his snacks. Perfect. Very good. And it is holiday season here, so you can notice all of the wrapping and garland around the light poles. Those are so pretty. Now let's go back in and give it one last look. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. Yes, I am a Disney travel professional / travel agent. I book Disney trips for all of my guests all along around the world. Adventures by Disney, Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Alani just got back from there. Make sure you see all the videos. You will absolutely be in great hands with Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications to follow all my adventures around the world. I look forward to serving your family. See you real soon.